Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create a realistic daisy using the Color Therapy app. This is a detailed tutorial on how to transform a seemingly simple image to have beautiful details, and make it realistic just like a real flower. You can use the Apple Pencil for fine details, but you'll also be able to accomplish good results with your finger in the manual mode. If you want to follow along, find the image under Classic and Free and just scroll down to it. Okay, so the first thing to do is choose our colors from the color palette. Now I'm gonna go under Nature, and if you scroll over to Fruity, there's a really nice pink under the gradient mode. So there's a pink to pale pink. So select that one. And then in the same palette, let's grab the pink to sort of a greenish yellow gradient there. And then in the Essential palette, scroll over to Colorful Metallic, set that to solid, and just grab a basic green, a dark green. Open the color palette again, scroll over to Summer, and then select a solid dark pink. And in the same palette, select a gradient dark orangish yellow to light yellow. And next, under the Seasonal palette, scroll to Autumn, and then choose a solid dark burgundy. That'll be for our shadows. And last, we'll just choose a basic white, and that's a solid white. All right, so let's start off with tapping to fill in the color into the daisy. So select that pink gradient that we have. Let's have it go from dark to light. So let's have the darker areas be towards the center of the daisy and just tap to fill it in. And when you get like halfway up towards the top of it, you're gonna have to switch it so that it continues to be dark in the center, towards the center. Now with that yellow gradient, set that to a radial gradient with the lighter part on the middle. And then just zoom in the center of the daisy, just tap to fill in those little circles directly around the edge here. And then the rest of them, use the pink to greenish yellow gradient and just tap to fill them in. And now we're ready to start adding in those details. So let's go in the manual mode now. I'm gonna use the flat brush. It's really good to add texture to petals. So let's raise the opacity to 50% and the size to 100%. And now we want to have coloring inside the lines mode to on. Zoom in to one of the petals here. And then with that pink, we're going to just go ahead and start drawing in some lines. Now you can see how it already starts to have some interesting texture going on there. And you just want to apply that to all of the petals. I'm kind of going just from the top down. You can also go from the bottom up too if you like. Then we'll use those same settings, but switch to white now. And we're going to add the white mostly at the tops and the tips of each petal now, kind of just blending downward. And I'm using just sort of quick strokes so it has some even lines. You can bring those down a little bit further on some petals if you want. It doesn't need to be perfect. And if you're really looking to improve your realism, I would always recommend using a reference. And I might do an extra layer of that white just in a few areas on each of the petals too. All right, now let's switch over to that burgundy color and we're gonna add some shadows in. So all the petals that are behind the first ones here in the front, we're just gonna add a quick little shadow with that burgundy. So wherever you see a petal overlapping another one, add a shadow. I also wanna make sure I get those shadows in there, in those tiny little areas there too. So take your time with it. Now for the center of the daisy, let's zoom in there. I'm gonna select that dark green, and now I wanna switch to the airbrush. We'll leave the opacity the same and then lower the size to 15%. And I'm going to outline each and every of those little circles in the middle there. Just adding an extra bit of shadow there, just so that they blend in a little better. And now we wanna make the daisy look like it's 3D. So instead of having the center kind of tucked into itself, what we want to do is just go ahead and sample that yellow color there. And then in the manual mode, raise the opacity to 100. We'll lower the size to about 10%. And what we're going to do is set lines, coloring inside the lines mode to off. And then we want to extend those little yellow circles outwards beyond that circle into the petals. And this is just going to help it look a little more 3D, a little more realistic, like a real Gerber daisy. And you do also want to add some shadows to that yellow part too. So let's lower the opacity to 50% and have the size be about 2%. And we're just going to sort of outline the yellow area there, just so it looks like it has a little bit of shape to it. And that's pretty much it. And then you want to check your work and make sure it's looking good. So under the effects tab, just hit lines and then remove them, and then you can see where you need to add some more details. Here's the final result with the lines removed. The more details you add, the more realistic it will look. Take a look at a flower close up to help you know where to add more details. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.